Today we're going to talk about the famous art movement, Cubism.
I've created a video lesson for Kid Made Modern on the art movement Cubism. I've also created this coloring sheet in the Cubist style for you to download on their blog and color. In the video, I explain the movement and its origin, the key players, break down the style, and show you examples of Cubist paintings. I will also demonstrate how to color in the Cubist style using the Kid Made Modern coloring pencils, teaching specific coloring techniques to create depth and style in your work. You can find an additional video lesson on pointillism from me on the Kid Made Modern IGTV and blog, where I teach you all about the movement of pointillism and provide this coloring sheet that you can download on their blog. Check out my videos at Kid Made Modern on Instagram, download the coloring sheets, and tag me with your coloring creations at Net Designs. Go make stuff!